So hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, we're going to focus on getting started with basics of JavaScript in Google Earth Engine. So in the tutorial number 6, we're going to focus on select, filter and visualize a single image from an image collection in Google Earth Engine. So now let's get started. So now to select a single image from an image collection in Google Earth Engine, first let us define a point in San Francisco over United States of America. So for example, have defined this variable called point SF representing San Francisco equals to geometry.point. So we have specified the latitude and longitude of San Francisco. So next we're going to import our Landsat 8 dataset of surface reflectance. So to import that, we define this variable called Landsat 8 SR. SR represents the surface reflectance. So we defined Earth Engine image collection Landsat LC8 collection to tire. So from this particular dataset, using this particular code, we can able to access the Landsat 8 surface reflectance dataset. So now next we're gonna filter the collection, filter the color image collection for specific date and location, and then select the first image. So to do that, we define this variable called Landsat 8 SR image equals to Landsat 8 SR. This particular represents this variable. That is, we are accessing our Landsat 8 surface reflectance. So next, we're going to filter with a specific timeline. So to do that, we define this dot filter date 2014 March 18, and the end date we're going to specify as 2014 March 19. So now we have filtered the specific the time frame. Next, we're going to filter based on our the point data we have specified over the San Francisco. So you can just create a point by clicking this option, and just you can place this point over the San Francisco, and just you can copy this code from here. You can copy the latitude and longitude and just paste it in this variable. So you can just paste it over this particular variable. So in this way you can create a point. So we're going to filter based on the point data set. So for that we define dot filter bound point SF. So the point SF, which represents this particular variable containing the latitude and longitude for our points. So next, in order to get the first image from this image collection, so for example, in an image collection, there will be a lot of images. So in order to get the first image out of that image collection, we define this function called dot first function. So in order to get a first image out of the image collection, we define dot first function. So next, to visualize the metadata of this selected satellite image, we defined as a print Landsat 8 surface reflectance image as an output file name, and referring to our Landsat 8 SR image, referring to this particular. Based on we are applying certain filter date and study area, and to access the first image. And let us visualize it. So we're going to visualize the metadata property of this particular image. So we're going to navigate to this option called run and click run script. So once you did that, so in the console section, so it's loaded here, Landsat 8 surface reflectance image. So I'm going to click this arrow here. So you can able to visualize here. So this particular dataset has the number of bands that is available in Landsat 8 surface reflectance. So to view the metadata property of this particular satellite image, we're going to click this option called properties. So in the properties, you can able to see there is a variety of different metadata source available, starting from algorithm source surface reflectance and cloud cover land and collection category, data source, air temperature, and ellipsoid datum. And there is a lot of different metadatas available in this image here. You can able to visualize it. So we have the sun azimuth, sun elevation, and we have this WRS path and WRS row. So in this way you can able to view the metadata property of this particular satellite image. So next we're going to visualize this image. So before visualizing the image, we have to center this particular layer. So to center this particular layer, we defined map.center object Landsat 8 SR image with a specific zoom level. We're going to specify the most accurate zoom level is 8. So I have mentioned as 8. So you can also change this number and see the different zoom levels for your practical purposes. And next, to add this layer, we defined as a map.add layer, Landsat 8 SR image. And these are the following bands we're going to use in this particular image in this dataset here. So we are using SRB4 and SRB3 and SRB2, which represents the true color composite or the natural color composite. So let me show you the bands that is available in the Landsat 8 image. So you can able to see it is of 30-meter resolution. So we are using this following bands: SRB3, SRB2, SRB3 and SRB4, which represents blue, green and red. So the composition of this three bands will gonna give us a true color composite or the natural color composite. So next we have defined the minimum and maximum value. So the minimum and maximum value which represents the brightness and the contrast of the image. For example, the minimum value that is given in this particular image in this data set is around, it is 1, and to a maximum value of 65,455 as a maximum level of this image. So we're gonna set a suitable color brightness level, brightness and contrast level. So for that we defined starting with a minimum of 7,000 and a maximum of 13,000. You can also change this value and see the different contrast and the brightness of the image. You can change this and visualize that. And to output the layer name as Landsat 8 SR. So now let us run this code and visualize the result. We're going to navigate this option called Run Script and click Run Script. So now in the console section, we're going to visualize the result here. So yes, you can able to see that. So in the console section, we have the metadata properties of this particular image. And also in the layer section, we have this Landsat 8 SR. So currently it is in true color composite. You can able to see that all the vegetations are being highlighted in green color. So you can compare with this satellite image. So we're going to paste the base map over this image here. So we're going to turn from map to satellite mode. So we can able to see that. So which is in true color composite right now. So in this video I have shown you how to select, filter and visualize a single image from an image collection in Google Earth Engine in our tutorial series on getting started with basics of JavaScript in Google Earth Engine. So thanks for watching, and the codes are given in the description section, and make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.